Getting ready to do our fourth crunch time. Okay, so let's get going. First one says, 6 rows of 20 chairs were set up for a play. How many total chairs were set up? Okay, now look at this problem. Okay, we have 6 rows. That's the same as saying 6 groups, 6 piles. So you're talking about 6 rows of 20. It's a row of 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, and 20. There's 6 rows of 20. So we can do 6 times 20. Okay? Now when we multiply by something that has a 0 on it, all we have to do is take that 0 off of it for right now. We'll put it on later. And just do 2 times 6. What is 2 times 6? It is 12. Now we slap that 0 on it. So how many total chairs are there? Well, there's 120 chairs. Don't forget your label. Okay, now part B. Whenever there's a part A, there's going to be a part B and maybe a part C. Always look for that. So let's look at this. 10 benches that are each sat 10 people were also set up. What is the total number of seats available for the play? We found out how many chairs there are, so now we have to figure out how many benches there are. Well, there are 10 benches that each seat 10 people. So 10 times 10. So 10 people here, 10 people here, well, and so on for the 10 benches. So what is 10 times 10? You guessed it, it's 100. Very good. But are we done? No. Now we have to figure out what is the total number of seats available for the play. We're going to add those two numbers. So 120, those are the chairs, and then plus 100, that is your benches. And how much is that? It is 220 seats. Okay, awesome. All right, now let's go to the next one. What are the fractional parts of the figure below? Fraction means we are breaking up a figure into equal parts. How many equal parts are there? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So each of these parts are sevenths because it's broken up into 7 equal parts. Okay, let's go down to a rectangular room is shown below. Which statement is false? Ooh, I love that they have that as bold. We really have to watch that. That means 3 of those are going to be true. There's only 1 that's not going to be right. So let's look at it. The area is 30 feet squared. Well, how do we find area? Length times width. What's 10 times 3? It's 30. And remember, we're doing, when you do area, it's squares. So that one is right. It is 30 square feet, 30 feet squared. It says the perimeter is 30 feet. That's the distance around. So let's count it. We have 10, we have 3, that's 13. Well, we have another 10. Don't forget those 2 sides that don't show it. You know that this is going to be 10 because the opposite side is 10. And in a rectangle, the opposite sides are congruent, same size, same shape. So we have this side is 10, this side is 3. So let's figure it out. 10 plus 3 is 13, plus 10 more is 23, plus 3 more is 26 feet. So this one is not true. So this is our possibility. Always go through all of them first. Okay, the next one, the perimeter is 26 feet. Well, we just figured it out. That is exactly what it is. 10 plus 10 is 20. 3 plus 3 is 6. 26 feet. Awesome. We know that one's true. The area is equal to 3 times 10. Well, it's length times width. 3 times 10, 10 times 3. Either way, commutative property. Okay, so that one is true. So our possibility is our answer. The perimeter is 30 feet. How many right angles does the following polygon have? Now look at that. A right angle is 90 degrees. Would a piece of paper, a piece of notebook paper, fit into any one of those angles? I don't think so. Okay. This one is obtuse. This one is, this angle right here is acute. It is smaller than 90 degrees. This up here is larger than 90 degrees. It's obtuse. So you have 0 right angles in that polygon. What is that polygon, by the way? If you remember, it starts with a T. Yes, it's a trapezoid. Very good. It has one set of the opposite sides that are parallel. Okay, all right. This one, the next one, the word problem. George has 24 party favors he wants to give equally to the 8 friends that are at his birthday party. How many party favors will George give to each of his friends? Draw a picture below to support your answer and write your answer in the box. Okay, so he has 8 friends. So you know what? I'm going to draw a picture. I'm going to draw 8 friends. This is their bag. When they come, this is their bag. They're going to put their party favors in. George has 24 party favors. So we can just go through, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Do they all have equal number? Yes, they do. How many are in each of the bags? I see 3. So 3 favors. What's another way we could have done that? We could have done 24 divided by 8 equals. We know that 8 times what equals 24? 8 times 3. It works. Whew, that's awesome.